Do you know what happens if you bury just one piece of aloe vera in soil? Most gardeners don't, but the results will leave you absolutely speechless. Today, I'll show you this powerful, natural gardening hack step by step. 1 fresh aloe vera leaf. Here I have a fresh aloe vera leaf, packed with vitamins, enzymes, and natural rooting hormones that plants absolutely love. First, cut the aloe vera leaf into small pieces. You'll see the gel inside. That's the magic. This gel is full of nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and amino acids which strengthen roots and protect plants from diseases. Now, dig a small hole near the roots of your plant or in the potting soil. Place the aloe vera pieces directly into the soil and cover them up. As the aloe vera breaks down, it slowly releases growth-boosting nutrients into the soil. After covering, water the plant lightly. This helps the aloe vera mix with the soil and activates its natural power. Within days, you'll notice your plant looks fresher, healthier, and stronger. Aloe vera improves root growth, protects against fungal infections, and acts like a natural fertilizer, giving your plants the perfect energy boost.